Hi there, as you can see, it is strawberry season and I have been to the strawberry fields and, well, I got quite the haul. This is a lot of strawberries. I have big plans for them, but to make sure they stay fresh till I can get to all of them, I want to show you how I choose to store my strawberries. Now, these are farm fresh, just picked. I watched them be picked. So the way that I have found that my strawberries last in the fridge, the absolute longest is in a mason jar, and I'm going to use my little gadget here to suck all the air out. Now, I do like to put a little piece of cloth. This is just flour sack towel. When my flour sack towels get kind of grungy looking, I cut them up and I use them for all kinds of things, like on my cast iron and stuff. Now I just want to put this in the bottom here in case there's any moisture. The biggest thing with storing your strawberries is moisture. Moisture is going to be your enemy. Put them out on a nice clean towel and just make sure they're dry. Now, I do not wash my strawberries before I vacuum pack them or before I store them. I'm going to save washing them for when I'm getting ready to use them, because again, moisture is our enemy and I want to make sure they're dry. But also, as soon as water touches your berries, any kind of berries, it automatically starts softening their skin, and I don't want that. Now, I'm not gonna put them in here and smash them down. I'm just gonna let them have their own space, and in they go. So on with my lid and my favorite little thing, and out goes the air. Now, I have a lot of strawberries here and I have a lot of ideas for them. And there's a lot of ideas for strawberries on my website. I love strawberry season. It's just one of my favorite times of the year. And there's just nothing better than a fresh strawberry. You see how beautiful that is? All the way through, not that big white center that you get from store-bought ones. So now that we have got our strawberries airtight or nice and dry, into the coldest part of your refrigerator. And there you have it, my favorite way to store my strawberries.